So today's tutorial is Pop Punk Princess Eyeshadow. Woo! It's really just black and pink. Come with me to a land of broken hearts and skulls. Stick around and I'll show you how to get this really awesome eyeshadow look. Our first step, as always, we want to prime our eyes. I use the Pro Longwear paint pot in Groundwork. This guy has a bit more of like a shimmer onto it. I'm going to bring out my Lingerie Collection Naughty Nights palette from Nude Cosmetics. And then I'm going to go ahead and grab a fluffy brush. And I'm going to take the color Corset, load it onto my brush here. And we're going to start just going at it at the crease. Make sure you do the crease and then you do underneath your eyes. I'll be right back. Alright, now that we have this guy all blended out, we're going to take a separate fluffy brush and we're going to grab the color Your Turn. And we're going to also put that in the crease, but we're not going to blow it out as much as we did the pink. And also put this underneath your eyes. Alright, next I'm going to go ahead and take a chunky black pencil. I am using the Anti-Precision pencil, an Insomniac, Kat Von D. Go ahead and tightline. And then I'm going to go ahead and put this on my lid. Take a brush and start blending it out all over the lid up to the crease. Honestly, your finger might be better for this. Work with a little bit of product at a time. Be taking a black eyeshadow. I'm just going to use just flat black eyeshadow. And we're going to go ahead and set our black liner. And this time blend it into the crease. Speaking about blending, I'm going to go ahead and go back to our purple blending brush, pick up the color Your Turn, tap off the excess, and I'm going to go into the crease and just re-add that color and blend it into the black so that way the two colors kind of just mesh. And just, you know, take your sweet time blending because you just want to keep on blending this guy just to really get it, you know, just to really get it nice and blended. Alright, we pretty much have our base down. I'm going to grab the Urban Decay eyeshadow in Solstice. Got a really pretty color shift property to it, so let's put it on. I'm gonna just take my finger and just dab it on the lid. Try not to get it in the crease, but it's okay if you get some in the crease. We're gonna wanna go ahead and take our final eyeshadow color of this look. I have Polyester Bride from Urban Decay. I'm gonna load that up to a separate brush here. I'm gonna put it on my inner corner here. I'm gonna put it right up here underneath the brow bone. No limit on how much Polyester Bride you could use. So all that we're really missing now is just lashes. So I'm going to go ahead first and apply some mascara. I've got the liquid lash extensions from Thrive Cosmetics. Then I have a random pair of lashes, just no brand. Look like this. Where is my lash glue? I'm gonna take my lash glue here, load up the lash band. We're gonna let it dry. And then I don't use tweezers or anything fancy like that. I just use a mirror and I tilt it underneath so I can see what I'm doing. And I just press the lash onto my eye from the outer corner and then push it in. The fact that the lash glue is kind of tacky allows me to work section by section because it's sticking onto my eye, but I still have a chance for it to dry while readjusting. Hell yeah, this is so cute. Thank you for tuning in to my channel. I really hope this tutorial was fun to watch. If not, I really hope, you know, whatever you got going on in life's working out for you. Go ahead and follow me on social media. You can find me on Instagram at nikki.martinez.mua. You can also find me on Twitter at nikkiLA_MUA. I don't really use it too much, but if you guys want to start talking to me on it, maybe I'll start using it some more. Go ahead and leave any comments, questions, suggestions down in the comment box below, and don't forget the thumbs up and subscribe. Mwah. Keep on rocking. I'll see you guys next video.